Hey, you guys talk about losing in Forex market? Guys, look at this. These three indicators and this chart setup will blow your minds, man. It tells you when to take the buy, when to take a sell, okay? When to take a short, and when to take a long. These three indicators, man. If you want to learn more, comment below, guys. And like and subscribe and follow this channel. Goodbye. Okay, guys, you remember the trade that we took last night with those three indicators, free indicators on. See, look at it. It's 348 up right now, 346. You can see it's going up and down. You can't fake these things, guys, okay? So you can learn these strategies, and it's very easy. We teach one-on-one. Check the link in my bio. Join the community or hit me up if you want a one-on-one. Like and share. Subscribe to this channel, guys.